Happy Monday. Welcome back to another Facebook Live with Creating with Christina. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be here. All right, so, I live here in Texas. Those of you who live up north, y'all just laugh at us, but we had a blizzard yesterday. Well, I didn't get any snow. I live up north Texas and I didn't get anything. My youngest daughter, she lives down in south of Austin, and they got tons of snow. So, yeah, it's pretty funny when Texans get all excited about snow. But anyways, I hope you all are nice and warm and in your craft rooms, getting ready to make some cards here. Okay, here we go. Let me switch over real quick. Yeah. All right, so before we do anything, I just real quick, this is our Sale-A-Bration time, and all that means is when you spend $50, you get to choose items out of the Sale-A-Bration catalog. And I wanted to highlight this item. This is a free item with a $50 purchase, and these little donkeys are just too cute. So we're going to be talking about these donkeys today. Also, my ice cream class, it is Wednesday's the last day to sign up for this. And this class, when you order it, you can either order the entire suite and use the host code, and then you'll have everything to make the class. Or you can just spend $50 on whatever, and I'll just send you the card class. But the card class does use the sweet ice cream stamp set and punch. I'll send you all the instructions and everything, how to make, this is a gift card holder, and here's a shaker card. I'll show you how to make a shaker card. So that's the class that's going on right now. Wednesday's the last day to sign up for that. All right, so today's lesson, or what I want to focus on, is sentiments. So, hey, Kim and Debbie. Oh, I got the sniffles this morning. I got Nancy here, and Mima and Linda. Good morning, good morning. Yeah, so I want to talk to you about sentiments. The title of today's Facebook Live is Always Have a Sentiment on Hand when you're making your handmade cards. And we have a really cool stamp set that lets you cut out 19 sentiments at once, and they're really cute little sentiments. So here in the regular catalog, it's found on page 35, and I'm going to zoom this up. And when you buy it as a bundle, the stamp set and the die, it's right there at the $50 mark, so you get to choose a free Sale-A-Bration item. All right, now this is a great set to have, because when you just, as a card maker, you just need a good stash of sentiments sitting around. And I'm just going to bring this in. I've already set it up on the Stamparatus. It's already here. And I just have a half a sheet of white paper. And the first thing I need to do is just stamp the sentiment in there. So, and I'm just doing it with black ink. There we go. And now make sure your paper is nice and snug in the corner there. That way, if you do need to restamp, it'll stamp right in the same position. And just press down. Okay. And lift it up. Oh, see, didn't get right there. Needs to, we need some more right there. All right, so let me get some more ink right there. All right, and there we go. Let's see if that's better. Oh, still a little bit more right there. There we go. Yeah, oh, up here, I need this one. Oh, it looks like I don't have any ink on that. Right there. Okay. Ah, there we go. All right, so now that I have all the sentiments stamped, this is where the fun part comes in. I love this. This is so cool. So, I have my platform here. I'm just going to put this here, and we're going to take our sentiments here. And then what we do is we take the die and we just line it up. Okay, there we go. And these are such cute little sentiments too. There's birthdays, congratulations, anniversaries, thinking of you, sentiment, sympathy, I mean. All right, there we go. So it's all lined up the way you want it. You know, and if yours is like moving around, use some washi tape to hold it still. There we go. And now we just put it through the machine. And we have 19 sentiments cut out instantly. Just like that. And there they are. Isn't that fun? All right, so this is a really cool set to own. Like I said, you always want a good stash of sentiments. And also, maybe you'll get a cute little container, like my little basket here. And I'm just going to throw all these in there. And just, there we go. They're all stuck to the plate. There we go. There. And now I have me a whole stash of sentiments ready to go to make a card. And that is what we're going to do next. All right, let's make a card. Isn't that neat? I love it. That is just a really cool, cool thing. Okay, so put that there. Get all this out of my way so it's not in the way. Out of the way so it's not in the way. Okay. All right. So I decided to pull out some older paper that a lot of you have because it was so pretty when it came out last June. And that is this Flowers for All Seasons paper with our new in colors. And I just thought that was so pretty. And I went ahead and I stamped some of these donkeys and adhered them. And what we're going to do is we're just going to quickly make 4 cards using these little sentiments that I cut out. And then I also punched some hearts to kind of give it a little bit more. And I've pulled out the birthday ones. There we go, some birthday ones and some hearts. And just show you how fast this is. Okay, so these are my little donkeys, my darling donkeys. All right. And we'll just start with this yellow one. So I just simply cut my paper at 4 by 5 1/4. Yeah, nothing fancy. And we'll just line that on there. All right, and now we're going to take our little donkey guy and put him on here. All right, now for the sentiment part though, so I have this cute little yellow heart that I punched out, and it's okay if the heart goes over his little feet, that's fine, but we want our sentiment there, and we definitely need some dimensionals. So let's put the sentiment on the heart first. Come on. Oh. There we go. And then I need some dimensionals. What do we have here? Awesome. Yeah, Kay says she has this ordered. She can't wait to play with it. Yes, it is. It's just fun to just make a whole bunch, just get all your stuff out and then just start playing. That is the best. All right, now that I have some dimensionals on here, I can put this on my little guy. And voila. So put some ribbon on there. Oh, you know what? I'm going to get that off of there. Put some ribbon on there, some bling on there, and you've got yourself a card made, ready. I'm so happy to celebrate these moments with you. That's a cute one. All right, let's look at this next one. This one has the pretty pink roses on it. All right. And whoa, those roses are upside down. Ah! Not that it really matters, but all right, so we have our roses. Now we need our donkey that's going to go with the roses. Which one? Oh, here we go. Okay, and I think we'll go with the green heart. Yes. Okay, so this is pretty simple. And some dimensionals. I'll keep moving everything around. No, I don't want that. Okay, yeah, definitely that. So this is I was talking about the donkeys. These donkeys are free with the $50 purchase right now. And if you're not understanding, just oh no, I put the. You know, maybe I shouldn't talk and make cards at the same time. Maybe I should not. Okay, I'm just going to punch another one out. There we go. There. That was funny. Okay. I'm trying to make 4 cards really fast. And then I went and messed up. Okay, there we go. And we'll just do, hooray, it's your birthday. Hooray, it's your birthday. Yeah, these little sentiments are just so precious. I just love it. And like I said, just get yourself a cute container to keep them on your desk. There we go. And add, you know, bling, ribbon, whatever. Oops, that didn't have a... There we go. All right, so there's card number 2. Okay, now card number 3. This little donkey sitting on his little haunches right there, so he's going to be a horizontal card like this. And like I said, this paper is our Flowers for All Seasons, and so this is like pine needles, and during the winter this is a good paper to use for winter birthday. And then put our little donkey on here, and I think I'm going to put him down in the corner and put his heart up a little higher. All right, and so we're going to go with the brown heart. Voila. And then wishing you a year of magical moments and wonderful memories. That's a fun birthday wish. All right, and there is card number 3. And last but not least, and this little guy is kicking up his heels. Is he not having so much fun? Oh my gosh. Come on. There we go. So when you have all these sentiments, then if you just have an image that you like, for instance the donkey here, but you could have any image, just look through your stamp set and find images that that would go with these sentiments. You know, or you don't even have to have an image. You could just leave it as, you know, the heart. You wouldn't have to put the donkey on there. All right, so let's... Yeah, that is just gonna, I wish I had put it up just a little higher, but that's okay. No biggies. No biggies. We'll just, it'll still be pretty. And happy birthday. We are, let's see, right there? Yeah, right there. And we are done. We have 4 cards made. We have sentiments. All right, let me show you the cards again. All right, so we did this one with the little happy birthday there. And then this one. And these were just real simple. Just, you know, I had some sentiments, put them on a heart, put them with an image, and we're done. Yeah. I mean, like I said, you could add some bling and some ribbon to jazz it up a little bit, but there we go. We're live again. Yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this. And this stamp set's called Many Messages, and it is in the new mini catalog. If you don't have a catalog, let me know. I can get one to you. The only thing I ask, of course, is that you order from me so that your order will pay for the shipping. And you all have a wonderful day. I want to look through my notes real quick, make sure I haven't forgotten anything. Yeah, so today I just wanted you all to know that having a good stash of sentiments is something all card makers need to have. So start making yourself a bunch of sentiments and just keep them. Like I said, I have a cute little basket here. They just all sit in that. Sale-A-Bration is going on into the end of February. And my card class, the last day to sign up for that is Wednesday. So you all have a blessed day. I love you guys. And I will see you back here Wednesday. Now, we have a card challenge going on. I want some more entries. I really, our Wednesday card challenge, I really want this thing to turn into something really fun. So go make a card for Wednesday's card challenge and see if you can't win your... get lucky and I'll pull your name for the drawing. Okay. Bye-bye, you guys.